how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem, easy and quick. It's easy, only to do just go to your Windows Explorer, File Explorer, and then go to this PC and make sure you have enough space on the disk you want, on the disk that you want to install GTA 5 on it. And if you want to clear some space, just type here apps and click apps and features. Now just select here all drives, or you can just select the drive that you want to install GTA 5 on it, and then close all the applications that you don't need and go back, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed, and then just open Task Manager and close here. Close here all the applications that you don't need, like Discord, Google Chrome, OBS, and that's it. Right click and click End Task, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.